Hey y'all, how's everybody doing? I hope everybody's well. Alright guys, so we do have the theme for the Nomakenolife October box. Now this one is real exciting. I like how they explain what the theme of the box is going to be and what it's inspired by. I do love it. I just love it. So, before we get started, if you're new here, hi, I'm Mandy. I do a lot of makeup related videos and sometimes I'll go off track and do something else I'm interested in, but I promise not to disappoint you all the time. Now to read the first comment on my last video. Congratulations, Summer Breeze Young. Summer says, I'm great. How are you? Love you, girlfriend. Summer, you are killing it, getting first comments almost every time. You are really good. I'm so glad you asked. I am fine, and I really appreciate you having your bell on. You're doing really good with these first comments, and I'm really glad to have you a part of my family, and I love you so much. And if you yourself want a shout out, just make sure you leave a comment on this here video, and you get 1 out of 2 chances. You could either turn your bell on and try to be first comment, or you might be one of the comments that I pick. You never know. I might pick you. Now guys, let's jump into this theme. Now I don't know how to pronounce this correctly, but I'm going to give it a go. So y'all see it up here. It's a Harujuko. Maybe the J silent. Harayuko, maybe that's it. I don't know. Correct me in the comments. I'm pretty sure I'm wrong. But anyways, that word and Halloween together. Now, here is what they put under that post. They are going to have makeup and skincare inspired by the people that live there. It is one of the trendiest places in Tokyo is what it says. Now, we don't have no spoilers on this yet, but I can show you a future spoiler. Now, I'm not saying this is going to be in October's box, but I'll go ahead and show it to you anyways. It's a roll-on eye essence. And again, it does not show what month that's going to be in, but I did want to drop y'all a spoiler and, show y'all something. But anyways, this box looks like it's going to be pretty exciting. Now, if you want any information, they are linked down below if you want to go check them out. Now, it is Japanese and Korean beauty makeup themed. It's a really neat box, man. They got some really neat makeup. So, and skincare. I mean, really neat stuff. It's just fun stuff. You know what I mean? Now, guys, of course, if they reveal anything else, I will update you guys. So now let's read the comment that I picked on my last video. Congratulations, Ginger Willits. I think I said that right. Probably not, though. But anyways, Ginger says, love your accent. It's so cute. Your videos have quickly become one of my favorites. Well, Ginger, thank you so much. I really appreciate you taking the time to watch my videos and leave a comment. And I love you so, so much. Again, if you want a shout out, make sure to leave a comment on this here video. And as always, guys, make sure you are subscribed to my channel. I mean, why wouldn't you? It's 100% free and it's a gift from me to you. And it's rude not to accept a gift, so you got to take it. So get on down there and hit that subscribe button. And then what I want you to do, if you would, go ahead and rate the video. Go ahead and hit that thumbs up button, that thumbs down button. It quit working a long time ago and YouTube's slow about fixing things. So just go ahead and hit that thumbs up and really it just shows engagement. But it also shows me what videos you guys are liking, what I need to do more of. And then one more thing before y'all head out. I'm so sorry about this. Go ahead and turn on that bell. That way you're notified of every single video I upload. You don't want to miss none of these spoilers. And I love y'all so, so much. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.